300C, 6.4 liter. They only made 2,000 of these. It's 2023. I'm gonna let you guys hear it before we do anything to it. Go ahead. Again. Got a little nice deep tone to it. They changed the tips on it. Look at that. Go ahead. It's got a little growl. Again. So it's right at 105 when it peaks on the sound decibels. One last time. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a mid-muffler delete on it so you guys can see what it sounds like. Stay tuned. Check out this beautiful 300C. They changed the badging on it. I like that, it's different. That's how it comes from the factory now, because it's the last call. So they made a special badge for it. And then it's debadged on the rest of the body. That's the only one on there right there. I like that. That's clean. So this is the last call on these. This is the last one for the year. It's only got 500 miles on it. So what we got done on it? Factory converter, 3-inch pipe, 3-inch X pipe. Then what we did is we cut the mids off and put 3-inch in their place, there and there. Then left the valves on, there and there. Left the rears on, there and there. And left the tips on, stock tips, there and there. Right there, as you guys can see. And there's the mids that we cut off right there. Yeah, it's also got a badge right here, guys. But no side badging anymore. So it's pretty cool. Take these two little babies off and it opens up drastically, as you guys can see. 6.4 liter. 3 sound decibels. 117. Wow. Sounds perfect. Good look to it, stance. Can't believe they took away the 6.4s, guys. It's a sad day in history. They took the V8s away. So we're making history by keeping the sound so you can hear them. Kids grow up and they're like, oh, it's all electric, let's say. Like, what do you used to sound like? We'll say, go to Exhaust Addicts and listen to them. It sounds so good. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Xenons on it too, adjustable so they move. Look at the eyes on this beast. He's definitely a beast, all murdered out. I like the black on black. I'd get one of these just to be a daily for me. Definitely more comfortable. Roomy too, guys. For bigger guys like us, they're very roomy, very comfortable. Here we go. Let's see what kind of send-off he says. Beautiful. I love it. Enjoy, guys.